This is the 23-inch Bond fire pit. It's real nice. It's got 50,000 BTUs. You can see the ring on the top there to go through and create the flame, and then you got the lava rocks around it. It's a nice circular area. You can see the propane tank is hidden away here. 20-pound tank is recommended, which is sold separately. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like through the top there, you got your plate there, and we got a few cobwebs we got to clean out at some point. And this is a steel body, which will go through and keep it nice and safe for you. And you can see here where you can go through and pick it up that does have handles. Nice and solid. And you also do have a one button click, kind of like a barbecue, to go through and start it. So it's really nice to go ahead and start it and get it moving, get the flames going and get warm. Really, really like this. We've had it for years now, hasn't had any issues, and I completely recommend it. My name is Kevin, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.